27 storm track weather with meteorologist Max Saparis.
Downright windy today. Let's take a look back at how high those wind gusts have gotten across southern Wisconsin. Monroe tops our list at a 39-mile-per-hour gust earlier this morning. Lancaster at 34 miles per hour. Middleton 33. Camp Douglas 32 miles per hour. Mineral Point also at a 32-mile-per-hour gust. And it's going to stay breezy as we head through the rest of your Thursday. Partly sunny skies now as a front moves in. Then we'll watch the clouds clear out as we have those winds shift out of the northwest. Still gusting up to 35 miles per hour. Temps drop fast heading overnight. Going to be much cooler than what we woke up to this morning. Here's a look at temps across southern Wisconsin. A wide range depending where you live. 81 in Janesville. Meanwhile, 73 in Madison. 67 for Viroqua. 70 in Camp Douglas. Notice winds are out of the southwest and southeastern Wisconsin ahead of that front, but we're shifting to the west and eventually northwest later today as that front slips on by. You can see the winds still breezy. These are the sustained winds right now, 10 to 20 miles per hour, and that's how it'll be the rest of the day. There's that little batch of clouds indicating where that front is. Ahead of the front, winds out of the southwest and then shifting, and you can see that front kind of splitting the area right in half. Going to be continuing to watch the temps level off here as we get later into the afternoon, because of the fact that we have the front slipping by. So going to stay windy here as we head through the rest of today, but we do get more sunshine later in the afternoon as this little batch of clouds ahead of the front continues to scoot on by. So by the evening commute, likely still needing the sunglasses as we should brighten up as we round out the day. Meanwhile, tomorrow, staying mostly sunny through most of the day, high pressure in control, giving us that comfortable setup. Still a bit breezy with the wind out of the west, but nowhere near as significant as today. So here's your storm track recap. 75 degrees. Cooler than yesterday. Yesterday we got to 81. And again, this is going to be your high temp around your lunch hour, and then temps will level off or come down a couple degrees as winds shift out of the northwest, filtering in that cooler trend. Either way, that'll be pretty breezy. 10 to 20 miles per hour. Gusts still as high as 35. Overnight, 52, clear and cooler than what we woke up to this morning. Definitely need to keep those light jackets handy for your overnight hours. Tomorrow, back to the mid-70s with easing winds and still ample sunshine. Your 7-day forecast, my pick day of the holiday weekend is Saturday at 78 with lots of sunshine. Good for outdoor plans. A few storms look to return Sunday. Doesn't look like a washout, but something we want to monitor closely here as we head towards the latter half of the Labor Day weekend. Mid-70s with an isolated shower potential on Monday. And a change to the forecast includes Labor Day being a little warmer than I was thinking this time yesterday. Looks like the cool down is just going to hold off a little bit as the system slows as it moves our way. Either way, 60s still look likely for high temps by Tuesday and Wednesday and maybe most of the rest of next week, with overnight lows getting into the 40s. So, Caroline, we woke up in the 60s this morning. Meanwhile, this time on Wednesday morning, we'll be tracking temps in the 40s. Going to be a much colder scene as we head towards mid-September.
I'm not even used to having to grab the jacket in the morning to take the dog on a walk, so I'm going to be in for a rude awakening, it sounds like, next week.
That's for sure. So just enjoy these 70s while we have them. They're not going to last long. Looks like, again, next week, a big cool down on the way.
Okay, Max, thank you.